everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 quick, easy hairstyles perfect for school or university. I like to have my hair tied back for uni because it just helps me focus on my work and not be bothered by my hair. So if you enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. Also, please don't forget to follow me on all my other social media accounts. First hairstyle that I like to do takes hardly any time, and all you'll need is a clear elastic and a couple of hair grips. So you're just taking half of your hair up into a ponytail. Make sure it's nice and neat at the front as well. The next hairstyle I like to do is a Dutch braid. It keeps my hair out of my face for the entire day. So you just pop your hair into a ponytail, and this is just going to be a really simple way of hiding the band in your ponytail. Then all you're going to need is a hair grip. So you take a very small section of your hair from underneath the ponytail, so about this size, and then I'm just going to be braiding it. Take the braid to about here, don't always take it to the end, then I just kind of push back on the braid at the end so that it stays, and then all I'm going to do is just wrap it around my hairband. Secure it underneath your ponytail with a hair grip. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.